Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Carressa and today I have a Fashionphile unboxing. This is a bag that I have only recently wanted to add to my luxury bag collection, and so when I seen it on Fashionphile, I thought it was a great deal. Just going by the description of it, it didn't seem like it'd be too bad, so it was a great deal, definitely lower than retail. So that's why I got it. So before I unbox it, I'm going to read you the accessories that it comes with and also the condition of the item. So the accessories that it comes with a strap, and it also says the retail tags are attached, and the item condition is new. The exterior has a chemical scent, and then it says the hardware has faint scratches. So let's see if everything is correct and if I love the bag. If I do love the bag, I do have my trusty scissors, and I'm gonna cut the tags off. So let's go. I'm so excited. So here's a Fashionphile box. Here's the bag. I actually got this on Saturday, but I wanted to do an unboxing, so I had to wait. So So it did not say it came with the dust bag, so here's the Fashionphile dust bag. And can you see the handle? There's a little... Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I was a little nervous about the color, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just what I needed in my collection. Oh, I love it. And it is the Givenchy Antigona Mini, or however you would put it into words. So pretty. Love it. So cute. Oh, love it. Here's the strap. Oh, so cute. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Is it retail? Oh, here's the retail tags. Oh, I love this bag. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was going to like it. I do see that this strap is already off. So I wonder if they put it on or if it fell off, because I know that's a common complaint with this bag. And this bag is so cute. But there's the leather little feet. Oh my goodness. Man, this is so cute. I don't know. I knew what I was gonna get. Obviously, I ordered it, but I don't know. I really like it, and I really like the color. I was very nervous on the color because it's just like I go for like neutrals, but I want to add a red bag in my collection, and I also still want to add a pink bag in my collection because the bag I sold it because it was really old, and I really like this color. I love it. Oh man, I can't wait to take this out. This is so cute. I'm so jealous of people that have everything. Like when I order from Fashionphile, I never get the file. Well, I've only ordered twice. This is my second order, but I never get the file, and and I've seen other people, they have like a sanitizer, and I don't get that either. It's so weird. I never get either one. Is there like an amount you have to spend? Like, I don't understand, but either way, I really love this bag. Oh my goodness, so cute. Let's see if I can put the wrap back on. I'll do that later off of camera. But, definitely, well, actually, let me make sure I can. Oh, that's easy. I do see a flaw, but I did put it on successfully. It was pretty easy to put it on. Put the strap back on. Definitely a keeper. Definitely love it. So I'm gonna get something real fast. And got my trusty scissors. This is the Fashionphile tag. It's mine. I love it. So I hope you guys liked my first unboxing, and I hope you like my channel. I know this is my first video on this channel. I've made videos for a long time, so I hope you guys like it, and I will be back with another video shortly. So thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye.